Hello! For today's video is how to use Instagram highlights to showcase your brand. So Instagram highlights covers makes a great impression. So let's go to my profile here, and located right below the bio section of your Instagram profile, they provide a polished look for your Instagram highlights and draw attention to your best Instagram story content. Unlike Instagram stories that vanish after 24 hours, Instagram highlights live permanently on your profile, allowing you to add and delete content from them anytime. This album sits underneath your profile bio section and above our regular feed. We have a separate tutorial on how to use Instagram highlight to create a portfolio of your work. But here are some of the tips to use Instagram highlights to show your brand, and I will give you some examples. So first is showcasing your products, and I will give you a sample for this. So showcasing your products is one of the best ways to promote your business and engage with your customers. You can engage by your customers by creating an Instagram story highlight promoting your products or services. For example, for this one, there's a pastries, coffee products, menus, and there you go. Second is promote events. So as we all know, social media is a great place to promote events and build your brand awareness. So I have an example for this one. Like for this Adidas, their highlights is about events. Although we're restricted from gathering large people right now and your business may not be hosting in-person events, you can still use the stories features to showcase past events, promote upcoming ones, and help raise awareness about the others. And this allow your followers to get better idea of what the events your business actually hosts and are like, and increase interest of your future ones. So just like Adidas, their highlights is about events. Next is show what you've been up to. So I have one example here. So he is a pastor and his highlight is about showcasing what he's been to. So keeping clients informed is always one of the most important objectives business and offering, and behind the scenes. Look at what your business has been up to. So he's also a blogger. That's why his highlights are like this. Next example is highlight your customers' testimonials. I have one example here. Like this coffee shop. You can see in their highlights that there is customer testimonials. We all know the importance of sharing customers' reviews. So be sure to share your company's reviews with your followers too. Creating highlight dedicated to reposting and screenshots or testimonials of your customer's experience using your product, service, or brand, and highlighting this in your Instagram account is a great way to share the stories of your happy customers. Customers' testimonials are valuable to emphasize the benefit customers have received from your products or services. So, these are some of how to showcase your brand using highlights. I hope that you learned something and the video helps. Kindly give your thoughts in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.